We're here at TEC Belfast, where you can see Game of Thrones, the touring exhibition.
The exhibition, as we see it here, is unique. The magnificent costumes, magnificent props, magnificent weapons. The dragons' heads are in there. They're not copies, they're not cheap substitutes or anything like that, and you can see by the level of detail.
It's just great to be able to see that in person.
It's a new experience, it's a fantastic experience. They've an extremely long and handmade tapestry. Absolutely beautiful.
The extraordinary thing about Northern Ireland is within 30 minutes of a sort of city centre, you're in the most amazing landscapes.
The proximity of everything is one of the delights of being up here.
You're right at the heart of Game of Thrones territory here. I can't really sell it enough. There's so much to do here, there's so much to see. I tell all my friends now, have you been to Belfast yet? They say, you have to go and visit.
It's a fabulous place.